Hey guys, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 70 Southbridge Street in Worcester, apartment 1013 on the 10th floor. And it is accessible by elevator. This is in the Madison Towers condo building. And yeah, so I just want to start by showing you the space of this completely renovated suite. It's all new finishes everywhere. So it's basically kind of a brand new unit. And one of the most attractive things about this unit is just the panoramic views that you get. It's really big, so obviously there's a lot of light in here, and it just looks really, really nice when you see, especially now in afternoon when all the rooms are lit up. And this is openable, so you can get a nice breeze in here if you need it. And then you turn around, you can see kind of a better idea of the space as well. So this is where your bedroom would go, all your furniture, things like that. And this building has nice amenities like a mailroom, a pool, workout room, all kinds of things. And then this is where your kitchenette area is. So you've got the fridge right here, as well as the brand new stove, sink, and the nice granite countertops with the new fixtures. And you can see it is brand new and the quality is very good. You see it right there. Now I just want to show you the bathroom. So there's the bathroom right here. You got the nice sliding glass doors with all the matte finishes and the new everything as well. And yeah, so that's your bathroom. So bathroom, kitchen, bedroom. And yeah, this has been Nick with Nexus Property Management, Worcester.